This little Sarah, like, she loves her toy. She likes the toy. It's behind you. It's over here. It's over here. She likes this little toy, weird toy. She does. You threw it over there. It's over there now, silly. Come here. I'm trying to give it to her. Her arms are wrapped around the legs. You're a silly girl. I heard you were so scared when you got here. She's just back here like, I was like, what's all that noise? And she was playing with this big goofy toy that she likes. How pretty she is. And then Mitzi, of course, she wants in on the action, and Natasha. These are the other two young chickies that we have here. Yeah, there are the two young chickies like you. Look at you. You're just the prettiest girl. Yes, you are. You're being silly. She's silly Sarah. She's our silly Sarah. You gonna eat the little mousey? Huh? You wanna eat the little mousey's nose? Huh? Aw, it's fun to see him playing. It's fun. She's just entertaining herself. You are. Oh, well, hello. Look who just walked up, the big guy. Hey, Junior. What? You want in on the action too? Okay. Huh? So cute. He says, ah. What do you say? What? What do you say? Goodbye.